dental implant is an ideal solution to replace a missing tooth. It's a root-shaped cylinder, titanium cylinder that's placed in by a surgeon into the jawbone, and the jawbone likes the implant there. Without the implant, the jawbone would recede and shorten and get thinner. So implants help support healthy bone, help support the adjacent teeth, and then you can build off the implant. Sometimes a single tooth implant is indicated more so than a bridge would be. A bridge is more invasive. You do have to prep the adjacent teeth to support the missing tooth. Hygiene around a bridge is a little bit more tedious and cumbersome than it is an individual implant. Implants can be cleaned independently of the adjacent teeth, and they help support the existing bone from receding and resorbing anymore.